This video will be explaining how to create adverts for your scale. So open MX Business and log in, and of course merge the data, reset change flags, which is covered in a separate video. Once that's done, you want to click on the pencil in the top right corner and click Media Manager. So just before we create it, just to explain how it works, is the playlists here, I've only got one, but most people have more than one. So a playlist is just a string of images which will display after each other to create an advert on the scale. So for example, imagine if this was called Christmas, you may have a Christmas playlist with a string of images. You may have a Halloween, any occasion like that, or anything else, or maybe just even offers to display on the scale for the customers. You may have a playlist for that as well. So what you need to do is click Media, click the plus to add new, click Advert, and then it will say at the bottom the first playlist. So what we'll do is we'll just create a new one. We'll call it, let's say, Christmas. So click OK. It will then ask you to choose the first image. So if I just choose that. Right, now that image has been uploaded, and if you click on the Playlists tab on the right here, you'll see that we've newly created a playlist called Christmas. So let's add a couple more images to that Christmas playlist. Yes. Let's add Windows. And let's add one more. Okay, so we've uploaded the images we want to use on the advert. Again, go to Playlist, click to highlight Christmas or whatever the playlist is you wish to edit, double click. Now it will have automatically put the 3 images, or however many you've uploaded, to the playlist in the assigned adverts section. So it's on the right hand side, this is just all the images to choose from, whereas this list here is what's going to appear on the advert. So this one with a strange name is referring to this one. Let's just remove that. So you will notice that it says ID 7, which relates to that ID there. So ID 7 will show first, then ID 8, and then ID 9. And this is the order it will go in as well. So say if we want 7 to go last, you click to highlight, click the down button, click it again. That means ID 8 will show, so the Windows logo, then ID 9, so company, and then it will show ID 7. So that's how you change the order. So example, if you want company logo to go first, click the up, it will then go first. So click the tick. And one last thing, you can also change the duration of how long the image will display for. So you go to Adverts and choose logo, for example, with the advert image, company logo, double click. It's got some properties you can change. You can change the animation, so in this case it's going to fly in and out from the right. You can do other things like top to bottom, things like that, or bounce left, right. If you click on the schedule, you can change the duration of the advert, or the image, how long it will stay on the advert for before it goes to the next image. So let's say we want that one to be 10 seconds. Click the tick, and that's ready. So that playlist is now ready, and this one is already created. Same situation. So what you need to do then is assign one of these playlists to a scale. So to do that, you need to click Network Center. Right click on the scale you wish to assign it to. Edit machine configuration. At the very bottom here, you've got playlist ID. Click the drop down. Choose which playlist you want, so in this case Christmas. Click OK, click Close, send changes, and your advert will begin on the scale.